Imagine her stirring awake, and before her eyes even adjust to the morning light, your presence crosses her mind. Not because you chased her down or tried endlessly to win her attention, but because something about you stays with her, like a moment she wants to revisit. Your energy carries substance. Your presence leaves an imprint without noise or effort. Machiavelli said, "People remember the feeling you leave behind more than the words you speak." And in a world overflowing with voices demanding attention, the rare man grounded in calm self-assurance becomes unforgettable. The one who doesn't need to perform, the one whose quiet strength speaks louder than ego, the one who moves with intention. Women remember the man whose actions align with his values, the man with direction, the man who builds a life with purpose instead of seeking approval. You don't need clever tactics. You need authenticity, not manipulation, but mastery over your mindset, your discipline, your path. When you stop chasing and start becoming, the right woman naturally finds herself thinking of you. The quiet power within. There is a kind of strength that can't be seen, but can always be sensed. It surrounds a person like an unseen field. Some people enter a room and instantly draw attention, not because they make noise, not because they're seeking approval, but because their inner world is calm, grounded, and steady. This is subtle influence. It isn't loud. It isn't dramatic. It rises from within. When you are centered, others naturally feel it. When you are at ease with yourself, you stand out without trying. True presence is being so aligned with who you are that you don't need validation. You simply exist with clarity, and that alone becomes powerful. A woman remembers a person who carries themselves with ease and intention. She recalls someone whose words carry meaning, whose actions reflect purpose, and whose life has direction. You don't need perfection. You don't need wealth. You don't need to look like a celebrity. But you do need to move through life with certainty about who you are. That certainty radiates strength. Presence begins in the smallest details, in how you breathe, how you stand, how you move, how you see the world. When someone is anxious, unfocused, uncertain, or scattered, others sense it instantly. But when someone is composed, steady, and self-aware, even in silence, that too becomes visible. Calmness is appealing because it brings safety. Confidence is appealing because it sparks inspiration. Psychology reminds us that people remember experiences that touch their emotions. When your presence offers peace instead of turmoil, comfort instead of pressure, clarity instead of confusion, you live in someone's thoughts without effort. Presence is not performance. It is not pretending or putting on a mask. It is not about acting strong or faking confidence. It comes from inner alignment. It comes from knowing your values, your goals, your direction. When you live with purpose, your voice carries weight. When your path is steady, your steps feel meaningful. A woman notices someone who listens without rushing, someone who speaks deliberately, not to impress, but to genuinely communicate, someone who respects themselves and others, someone who doesn't panic, doesn't chase, doesn't cling to attention, someone who values their time and protects their peace. Presence is the opposite of neediness. Neediness pushes people away. Presence draws them closer. When you are grounded, you don't force connections. You allow them to evolve naturally. You understand when to speak and when to remain silent. You know when to lean in and when to give space. Attraction grows where energy is balanced. There is no need to control everything. You operate with trust, not fear. Presence is built through daily choices, caring for your body, calming your mind, strengthening your character, mastering emotional balance, defining who you are, honoring your commitments. As you invest in yourself, your energy shifts, your posture strengthens, your voice stabilizes, your confidence becomes genuine, your presence becomes magnetic. Someone thinks of you constantly when your presence gives them something to feel. Not chaos, not uncertainty, not pressure, but steadiness, depth, peace, purpose, and a touch of mystery. In a world full of noise, distractions, and people trying too hard, the person with presence stands apart. They don't blend in or compete unnecessarily. They don't imitate others. They grow into themselves. Presence is your hidden strength, and once you cultivate it, you become unforgettable. The art of inner steadiness. True influence begins within. Before you can inspire anyone, earn admiration, or create meaningful connection, you must first learn to steady yourself. Inner discipline is not emotional coldness. It is clarity and composure under pressure. It is the strength to stay composed when your feelings try to drag you in a dozen directions. Many people react instantly. They flare up in anger, sink into jealousy, overthink, panic, or speak impulsively. But the person who remains grounded holds real power. Not power over others, but mastery over their own mind. A woman notices a man who stands firmly in himself and does not crumble when life complicates itself. A man whose emotions move like a calm tide, not a violent storm. She pays attention to the man whose presence creates peace because he is at peace internally. The principle is simple. The one who directs their emotions directs their life. The one who loses control loses course. This doesn't mean hiding feelings or suppressing them. It means understanding them deeply. You don't erupt when something frustrates you. You pause. You center yourself. You respond with intention. You don't cling to someone's attention or beg for approval. You trust your value and let things unfold. When you don't try too hard, you become effortless. When you don't reply instantly out of anxiety, you appear balanced. When you don't panic at obstacles, you show rare emotional strength that is magnetic. Because few people possess it, great leaders remain composed while others melt under pressure. In love and attraction, the same pattern exists. Many men collapse at the first moment of distance. They chase, they plead, they send long emotional paragraphs, they lose their centeredness. But calmness is compelling. Calmness communicates stability. Calmness reveals self-confidence. A woman reflects on the man who practices emotional discipline because it shows maturity. It shows emotional intelligence, the ability to stay steady even when uncertainty rises. When you demonstrate that you can handle silence, tension, confusion, or pauses without falling apart, you stand apart. Most people do the opposite. They rush, they demand answers. They push for reassurance. They react without awareness. This makes them predictable and forgettable. The man who remains clear-minded becomes memorable. Because he is different, he is not driven by fear. He is not hijacked by insecurity. He feels deeply, but he is not ruled by what he feels. He speaks thoughtfully. He listens actively. He chooses his reactions rather than letting them control him. This creates depth and presence, qualities that naturally draw people in. The principle for powerful attraction isn't manipulation. It isn't pretending. It isn't playing emotional chess. It is self-leadership. You master your inner world so you can build richer, more honest connections. You cultivate calmness so you can love with intention, not desperation. You remain steady so you become reliable, respected, and remembered, because the truth is straightforward. A woman thinks most about the man who thinks clearly. She remembers the man who stays strong yet kind. She feels drawn to the man who balances passion with patience. Self-control is not about being distant. It is about being aligned. It is not about being emotionless. It is about choosing your emotional direction. When you master yourself, you rise above the noise. And when you rise above the noise, you become unforgettable. The principle of lasting feeling. What we remember most is not noise, intensity, or dramatic moments. It's the emotions someone brings into our life. Scientists and psychologists have often highlighted this. The human mind holds on tightly to experiences that touch our inner world. Real emotional resonance lasts. It lingers long after the moment has ended, long after conversations fade, long after the person has walked away.